Audio Jungle.
Aretired crane operator had life-changing surgery on his nose after it expanded to twice its normal size. Patrick, whose surname and age are unknown, sought medical help to tackle his huge, bumpy nose from Dr. Pimple Popper. He told the leading dermatologist how he struggled to breathe because the buildup of thick and rubbery skin was closing off his nostrils. In the latest episode of her hit TV show, Dr. Lee revealed he had the most advanced case of rhinophyma that she had ever seen. Rhinophyma is a progressive skin condition that affects the nose and occurs due to the formation of scar-like tissue. Patrick, who lives in Lincoln, Montana, told how his condition started while working on building sites in Las Vegas. In last night's episode, he said, "I tried using sunscreen and keeping the sun off my nose, but it was still always red and irritated." About 10 years ago, the scar tissue started building up to the point where my nose expanded twice its normal size. It's thick and rubbery, almost like a fake nose, and it's constricting my nostrils to the point where it's actually hard for me to breathe in through my nose. But the worst part is that your nose is the focal point of your face. And if you have a bad one, like I do, people notice. Patrick explained his relationship with his grandchildren has suffered because they were scared of his nose. He said, "I only hope Dr. Lee can take the roughness off my nose and make me look presentable again for my grandkids." At the consultation, the dermatologist diagnosed him with rhinophyma and said her concern was the functionality of her nostrils. For the initial surgery, broadcast on TLC, Dr. Lee used a loop electric cauterizer to burn away the built-up skin. In the first operation, she reduced the swelling around Patrick's nostrils to help his breathing. Patrick returned to the clinic for a follow-up procedure a few weeks later. Dr. Lee used the wire loop to scrape the rest of the bulbous, rubbery skin from his nose. He said, "Dr. Lee showed me the mirror and I could tell right away that things were changing. Even this little bit that she's done today, the results are amazing. I'm breathing better already."